Thank you to my sponsor, Cake Wallet, where you can store, send, receive, and exchange your Monero safely on your iOS and Android devices. So recently on my channel, I've been doing some more interviews with different people about privacy coins and have been getting some questions about some of the easiest ways for people to get their hands on Monero. And so I thought I would share my screen and just show you how I use Cake Wallet to swap between other cryptocurrencies into XMR. Okay, so I'm here in Cake Wallet, and if I want to swap out some Bitcoin to buy Monero, what I would do is just go ahead and click the exchange button right in the middle at the bottom, and it automatically defaults to XMR at the top, but I'm just going to go ahead and change that to BTC, and then I would be able to go ahead and put my address right here. So you can either copy and paste it, or as you can see, there's a QR code option as well. So then in the bottom, go ahead and select the currency you'd like to trade it into, which I am going to be doing XMR. The next step is I would just go ahead and put in the amount of BTC that I would like to swap into XMR. So once I put in the Bitcoin address, it automatically calculated the amount of Monero I would be receiving. Now you can see at the very top under exchange, it says change now, which is the exchange partner that Cake Wallet will be utilizing for this transaction. So once you've double checked everything and it looks good, you can go ahead and click the exchange button to start the transaction. And then almost instantaneously, a screen will pop up with the transaction ID. So go ahead and save that just in case you need it. Okay, so now in order to finish the transaction, we actually need to send the Bitcoin to Change Now so that it can change it into Monero. And so what you would do is you would go ahead and send the amount of Bitcoin you specified, which for this video I use 0.005 BTC. So once the status has changed to finished, then you know that the transaction has been finalized. And here we can see my updated XMR amount, and you can see the transaction that just happened here, where today I exchanged about $36 of Bitcoin into XMR.